Did you know that what you eat while breastfeeding can shape your baby's health for a lifetime? From boosting brain development to building strong bones, your diet is the secret superpower. Let's uncover the essential foods every mom needs and the ones to avoid, so you and your baby can thrive together. Let's dive in. This video is specially made for those moms who are giving their milk to their child. You know that the milk, which is produced by females in the body, is made from their diet or food which they take. So, the diet period of breastfeeding should be healthy, because their intake from diet includes vitamins, calcium, strengthening ingredients, and many more. So, over here we will tell you some diets which will be most healthful for moms. The reason behind that is, when mom becomes healthy, then her baby will definitely be healthy. So let's start the journey with us. First thing which is important in a diet is protein. Proteins are essential nutrients for the human body. Protein is an important part of a healthy diet. Proteins are made up of chemical building blocks called amino acids. Your body uses amino acids to build and repair muscles and bones, and to make hormones and enzymes. It promotes tissue repair and supports milk production. They can also be used as an energy source. Some sources of protein are eggs, a thick creamy yogurt, lentils, almonds, milk, fish, beef, and many more, but these are those which are easily available. Second thing is calcium. Calcium is a mineral that helps build and maintain bones, teeth, and muscles. And it's also important for blood clotting and regulating muscle contractions. Supports strong bones for mom and baby. Calcium is also usually a term which is used as a meaning of taking power. Some sources are dairy products like milk, yogurt, seafood, tofu, which is in calcium, leafy green vegetables. And now the most important thing is hydration. Taking water is very important. More water you drink, the cleaner your blood will be. Water is that thing in which more than 7 essential elements, which is much more important than those which we take additionally. Now, iron is essential in making hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells. These red blood cells help carry oxygen throughout your body. It prevents anemia and boosts energy levels. Important sources are lean red meat, cereals, and spinach. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do. Subscribing gives us a lot of motivation and encourages us to make more videos like this for you. Fatty acids are also very much for babies, essential for baby's brain and eye development. Important sources are walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Another is vitamin D, supports bone health and immunity. Important sources are fatty fish, egg yolks. Also the fruits like oranges, bananas, berries, apples, and melons for vitamins and hydration. Vegetables like carrots, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers. And healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and seeds. And now we are about to tell you those things which are not recommended in the period in which moms are providing their milk to their babies. Caffeine. If you take this regularly, then it may affect your baby. Alcohol. It is also not healthful for babies because it damages neurons, but if you consumed it, then wait at least 2 hours before breastfeeding. Now there are some tips for that. Additional tips. Eat small, frequent meals to maintain energy levels. Consider taking a prenatal or postnatal vitamin as recommended by your doctor. Pay attention to your baby's reaction to foods you eat, as certain items like spicy foods may upset them. This diet supports both you and your baby's health during the breastfeeding journey. It's all from our side. Now may God bless you with a more prosperous life. Have a nice day.